Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. Forming noun plurals. A. Normally we add s to nouns to form their plurals. House, houses, student, students. We add es to the nouns ending in s, x, z, ch or sh to form their plurals. Classes, taxes, buses, speeches, wishes. We form plurals of nouns ending in y before which there is a consonant by changing y to I and adding es. Cry, cries, story, stories, country, countries, county, counties. We form plurals of nouns ending in y before which a vowel is used by adding an s. Day, days, key, keys, joy, joys. We form plurals of a few nouns which end in f or fe by changing the f to v and adding s or es. Thief, thieves, leaf, leaves. But chief is not chiefs. We add only s with chiefs. We form plurals of compound nouns by adding s or es. Classroom, classrooms, showcase, showcases. We form plurals of compound nouns made up of nouns and modifier by making the noun plural. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Bar-at-law, bars-at-law. We form plurals of foreign nouns as we have them in the foreign languages. Referendum, Latin, referenda. American, referendums. Basis, Latin, basis. Analysis, New Latin, analysis. Datum, Latin, data. Formula, Latin, formulae or formulas. Memorandum, Latin, memoranda or memorandums.